Buddy,
Yes, Lily?
where's Taffy?
Well, me and Taffy were practicing bending, and someone saw me and knew I was the Avatar. So he started bending a humongous boulder, and Taffy used all the power she had to push me out of the way. And she didn't make it out alive.
That's so sad.
But that's not it. Later that day, I found a dog.
Okay.
I feel a connection to him.
What's his name?
Egg.
Why Taffy turned into a dog? She stinks. I mean, she smells like wet dog.
What, Lily?
What? It's true.
Ugh. Well, meet my friend Fluffy.
Hi, I'm Fluffy. I'm Buddy's airbending teacher.
Hi, I'm Lily, Buddy's firebending teacher.
I couldn't but over here. I'm sorry about Taffy, but Egg is so cute.
Buddy, we should start firebending class today.
What? No, he said he would do airbending.
I'll do fire tomorrow, okay?
Fine.
Yay!
Let's get to work.
What is it, Egg? Look where he's going.
Yeah, I think we should get Lily. She could really help.
Who is it? Hi, Buddy.
We need you. We need to investigate an alleyway.
Hi.
Because Egg saw something?
Let's go.